This 2018 Forest River Wildcat 28SGX is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Park City, Kansas, 67147 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Park City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 33 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, Slideout, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.